Experience luxury. Experience beauty. Experience the Mothers Car Spa and Bathhouse, a therapeutic getaway for your hard-working whip. Let our team of certified automotive therapists give your car the full VIV experience. Pick from a range of therapeutic treatments, such as California Gold Instant Detox, to get toxins out of your car, leaving it refreshed and confident. Make your car's paint tingle with the exfoliating power of California Gold Carnauba Wash and Wax. It dissolves road grime, adds shine, and protects your paint without leaving unsightly spots. Now that's Mother's cleaning. Then our California Gold Instant Detailer is great for quick touch-ups and deeper scrub downs. It works well with all kinds of paints, clear coats, and is a great lubricant for that special play bar.
I brought my boss's truck there last summer and you wouldn't believe how good it shined. I did get fired though for stealing his truck.
Yes, friend, that's considered grand theft auto. But hey, you care for your skin, so why not care for your car's skin, the paint? Treat your vehicle right and give it that mother's love, mother's polish. It's a spa for your car. Click the link below to learn more.